Track 45. A.
Ride a horse.
B.
Swim underwater.
C.
Sing.
D.
Speak Italian.
E.
Paint a picture.
F.
Play the guitar.
G.
Cook spaghetti.
H.
Sail a boat.
I.
Remember special dates.
J.
Ice skate.
Track 46.
What's this week's project for the photo club? I can't remember. Is it every day?
No, that's next week's project. This week's project is called What Can You Do?
Oh, yes. So, what can you do, Joelle?
I can ride a horse, I can sail a boat, and I can ice skate. I've got lots of pictures to show you. Look.
Wow, they're great. And Rosa, what about you?
I can cook spaghetti. I can swim underwater. I can play the guitar. And I can take photos under the water with my new camera. What about you, Paolo? Can you ride a horse? Can you swim underwater?
No, I can't.
Oh. Can you paint a picture? Can you sing? Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't. But I can speak Italian. And I can remember lots of special dates.
Paolo, we can't take a photo of that.
Well, take a photo of this then.
Excuse me?
Oh, hello.
Hi. My name's Jose.
Hi, Jose. I'm Paolo. And this is Rosa.
Hello.
And Joelle.
Hi.
Can you take my photo?
Sure. Wow, you've got a really nice camera. Say cheese.
Cheese. Thanks. Well, bye.
Bye.
Track 47.
What can you do? Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't.
Well, can you take photos?
Yes, I can. And I can speak Italian.
Oh, good.
Track 48. Example.
I can take good photos.
1.
We can't see the TV.
2.
I can't remember her name.
3.
My sister can't play the guitar.
4.
Can your little brother read?
5.
My mother can speak Chinese.
Track 49. A.
Nose,
B.
tooth, teeth,
C.
Mouth.
D.
Face.
E.
Leg.
F.
Hand.
G.
Foot. Feet.
H.
Arm.
I.
Eye.
J.
Hair.
K.
Head.
L.
Ear.
Track 50.
Foot. Hand. Eye. Face. Foot. Face. Teeth. Arm. Arm. Leg. Ear. Eye. Head. Nose. Hair. Feet. Leg. Tooth. Ear. Hand. Arm. Eye. Nose. Leg. Head. Foot. Teeth. Arm.
Track 50.
Foot. Hand. Eye. Face. Foot. Face. Teeth. Arm. Arm. Leg. Ear. Eye. Head. Nose. Hair. Feet. Leg. Tooth. Ear. Hand. Arm. Eye. Nose. Leg. Head. Foot. Teeth. Arm.
Track 51.
Rubber Boy. This is Rubber Boy. Of course, that's not his real name. His real name is Daniel Browning Smith, and he comes from the USA. He is famous for the things he can do with his body. For example, he can stand on his hands and put his feet behind his head. Can you do that? It's really difficult. He can also get into a very small box, only 34 centimetres by 40 centimetres by 50 centimetres. You can read about Daniel in a book called Guinness World Records, and you can also see him on TV or on your laptop.